So we get lots of questions about what can you carry in a bag this size. This is the standard bag that comes with our Shrike Mount system. I tend to carry a lot of little stuff, extra earplugs. I usually keep one of these cinch sack backpacks in here, sunscreen, rags. That's my throttle meister for longer trips. So I usually find lots of things that I accumulate in there, and you can get a lot of groceries in here as well. I'm going to show real quick how you can also put other bags on here. I'm going to unscrew the internal knob, take the standard bag off. This is a larger Nelson rig bag. It's a nice bag. It expands. You can use that for touring. All I have to do is install the knob right here to lock it into place. And I have a little bit bigger bag that I can use if I'm taking a little bit longer trip. Somebody asked if we could fit their very specific size lunch carrier, and the answer was no, it won't fit in our standard saddlebag. But it did just quickly cobble together with a couple pieces of aluminum, a little piece that allow you to carry an odd size object or something that you want to keep flat. It's an $11 lunch bag from Walmart. And then finally, if you want to try something really crazy, if you want to take a little adventure and maybe try a new fishing hole, I put a rod holder here on an ammo can. Same thing, uses an internal knob to lock it in place. And of course, one of the really nice things about it is everything locks in the same location. So when I go to wash my bike, all I have to do is yank the bags, wash the bike, and then reinstall the bags, and they're right back on and lined up. So just a little update on some of the flexibility for the Shrike Mount system.